Manipur's political crisis deepens as BJP's Sambit Patra meets governor twice in 24 hours amid leadership decision pending with possibility of president's rule. Protests erupt across Kumbi AC opposing CM Bireen's resignation. Amid Manipur crisis, demonstrators criticize timing. Most wanted militant arrested in Assam for 2021 Manipur Army convoy ambushed. NIA to probe further. Manipur security forces conduct major operations, seize drugs, arms and arrest militants linked to trafficking, extortion and militant activities. And Nagas and in Chandel and Technopal rally against border fencing, scraping of FMR demand immediate intervention for peaceful resolution. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Manipur's political uncertainty deepens as Sambit Patra's BJP's Northeast in charge held two crucial meetings with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan within 24 hours amidst leadership decision pending with possibility of president's rule. The first meeting took place yesterday evening, followed by another this morning, highlighting the urgency to resolve the state's leadership crisis. Sambit Patra was accompanied by the state BJP President A. Sharda Devi and several party legislators during these discussions. Following the meetings with the governor, Patra continued deliberations with BJP MLAs at Hotel Imphal, where he has been camping since the last 2 days. Despite this, multiple discussions, including engagement with caretaker Chief Minister N. Bireen Singh, the party is yet to finalize a decision on the next Chief Minister. The delay has intensified speculation about Manipur's political future. Adding to the unease, the constitutional deadline for convening an assembly session has already lapsed, raising fears that the assembly might be placed under suspended animation. With the situation evolving rapidly, all eyes are now on BJP's central leadership in Delhi, where a final decision on the leadership issue is expected. The outcome of these decisions will likely determine the political trajectory of Manipur, which is currently at a critical crossroads. As the BJP leadership grapples with the internal and external pressures, stakeholders across the state are closely watching for the next move, hoping for clarity amidst the growing uncertainty. Meanwhile, BJP MLA Karam Shyam has been recently reconciled with CM N. Bireen after a brief rivalry. Today hinted at upcoming developments, a fresh news in 1-2 days amid the political uncertainty in Manipur. Speaking after a meeting with BJP Northeast Coordinator MP Sambit Patra at Hotel Imphal, Shyam mentioned that discussions were underway for a cause of public interest, promising a solution to the current problems. However, he refrained from disclosing further details, stating it wouldn't be appropriate to preempt announcements from central and state leaders. Discussions have continued since CM Bireen's resignations, with legislators meeting Sambit Patra individually, who plays a significant role in ongoing talks after meeting Governor A.K. Bhalla twice recently. Shyam dismissed rumors of president's rule in Manipur, expressing confidence that the issue would be resolved through consultations between the centre and legislators. He also expressed skepticism that the new CM's name would be announced on the same day. Minister L. Susindro, who is been speculated as the right hand of caretaker CM N. Bireen, also met Sambit Patra. However, he refused to open his mouth on the meeting when questioned by the media. Meanwhile, Minister T.H. Bishwajit, who speculated to be a strong contender for DCM's post, similarly declined to divulge details of his meeting with Sambit Patra, emphasizing that the discussion aimed at restoring peace in Manipur.
good cause among the worry sabani, the Praja Papa, the Lagani, the solution of the Lagani problem to Evita. Soboda, Nalazi, and the Nova News Cra, the Lagani and the Kali. Yam urgent when they
various locations of Bishnupur district under Kumbi AC opposing CM Bireen's resignation during Manipur's ongoing crisis. The protesting sides include Terakong Makhalekai, Wangu Sabal and Wangu Naudakong Makhalekai playground. Protesters expressed that it is not the time to rush for seats while Manipur is reeling under the threat of narco-terrorists. They argued that the CM's resignation was ill-timed. They also oppose any move to arrest village volunteers, raising slogans and holding placards against such actions.
Sembirena Pam Tadopase, Yaninde, Manipur Tugani and Laiba, Kuki MLA Sing the Excel of Andraga, the Minister da, Hojik Pamla Topa Sunga, Manipur Kagani and Tola Iba MLA Singina to min later Hogi Amaga, no Onjin Taudana, Mapam Tanadana, Labagi Matam Nati, Akwagi Kunapa, Isa issue Amata. Object Papa Yaroi have a say in my benching. Akway, Lenda the Lep and
Asuklo Matam Sida MLA Masen Pamunaduna. Prajagi can be the dinner Pamahana Kalagalapisi, Prazamoina, Manapabi Amoina, Masi, Pajana Yazaning there, Yaraga di Pampai Basingina, Leba Hana can be Raga, Pamdana Tunda Tambiu, Leba Hana can be.
In a breakthrough, Assam Police, in collaboration with the National Investigation Agency (NIA), apprehended a highly sought-after militant in the Hojai district of Assam. The individual, identified as cadre of the PLA, was directly implicated in the 2021 ambush targeting an army convoy in Manipur. This arrest follows intensive efforts by the law enforcement agencies to track down those responsible for the attack. SP Saurav Gupta of Hojai District Police in a media briefing confirmed the operation and detailed that the arrested militant will undergo thorough investigation by both the NIA and Assam Police regarding the 2021 ambush incident in Manipur. Notably, the case was transferred to the NIA upon the request of the then Chief Minister and current caretaker CM of Manipur, N. Bireen Singh. The ambush, described as one of the most deadliest in the recent memory, occurred at 11 a.m. on November 13, 2021 near Manipur's Churachampur district along the Myanmar border. The attack tragically claimed the lives of 7 individuals, including Colonel Biplab Tripathi of 46 Assam Rifles, his wife, son and 4 soldiers.
एक पीपल्स लिबरेशन आर्मी मणिपुर पीएलए के एक मेंबर याइखुम टोंडोवा सिंह को होजाई पुलिस ने पकड़ा है और इसके बारे में हमारे को इंटेलिजेंस था, स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस था और टेक्निकल इंटेलिजेंस भी था। उसके बेसिस पे इसको एप्रीहेंड किया गया है। इसका जो है एप्रीहेंशन ड्रग्स एनडीपीएस रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी और हथियार का कुछ कारोबार जैसी एक्टिविटी का हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन था। उसके बाद इंट्रोगेशन में हमें पता पड़ा कि ये और भी टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज़ से जड़ित रहा है। पहले भी ये और टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज़ से जड़ित रहा है और इसी संदर्भ में और सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने भी इसका इंट्रोगेशन किया है और फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी चल रही है।
Security forces carried out multiple operations across Manipur, leading to the arrest of several individuals involved in drug trafficking, militant activities and extortion. The operations also resulted in the destruction of illicit poppy cultivation and the seizure of a significant catch of drugs, arms, ammunition and other illegal items. In Kangpopi district, security forces destroyed approximately 6 acres of illicit poppy cultivation at the hill range between Koripok and Sejang villages under New Kaitilmandi police station. The operation was aimed at dismantling the drug trade in the region, which often fuels criminal activities. Manipur police apprehended 2 members of the outlawed Pripak Pro group from Namdulong Khuman Lampak Main Stadium Road in Imphal West District. The arrested individuals were identified as Asim Dinesh Mete, age 41 years, also known as Aningba, and Huidrom Tomba Singh, age 36 years. Both were allegedly involved in extortion activities targeting local residents in the Namdulong area. From their possession, police recovered 4 mobile handsets, a 2-wheeler vehicle, 2 wallets containing 9,260 rupees in cash, an ID card, 1 side bag and a leaflet belonging to the Pripak Pro group. In another operation, Manipur police arrested Tongram Bidya Shagar, age 22 years, a cadre of the KCP PWG militant group from Langol Game Village Zone 2 area in the Imphal West District. The following items were seized from his possession: 3 mobile phones, 3 Bofang handheld radio sets with 4 chargers, various military fatigues and multiple bags. During the operation, security forces also recovered 2 plastic boxes containing 58 empty cases of tear smoke munitions from Langol Game Village Zone 1 area. The arrested cadres are suspected to be involved in militant activities in the region. The CDO unit of Kakching arrested a member of the KCP City Mete in the Irumpal area of Kakching district today. The arrested individual, identified as Moirang Them Gobin, also known as Kaba Mete, aged 38 years, and a resident of Langatel Inkol Nung Lekai in Thobal district, confessed to his involvement in extortion activities targeting the general public in the Kakching and Thobal district, according to police. Reports suggest that Gobin operates under the command of the chairman of City Mete KCP. During the arrest, several items were seized, including 2 mobile phones, 1 OnePlus Oxygen OS and a 1 OnePlus Nord CE4 and a silver-colored i20 Asta car with registration number MN03P7854 along with its key. A case has been filed at Kakching Police Station and investigations into the matter are ongoing. A significant operation, security forces uncovered a large catch of arms and ammunition from Itam Uyok Hill ranges near Bongpal Kulen village and the Thobal Dam police station in Imphal East district. The recovered items included 2 country-made automatic rifles without magazines, 1 heavy caliber 81mm Launcher, 1 65mm mortar, 1 2-inch mortar and 1.303 bolt action rifle. Additionally, forces recovered 1 Pompey gun, 1 Pompey shelled, 4 Chinese-made grenades, 2.5 kilograms of explosives, 1 radio set with a charger, 10 live rounds of .303 ammunition and 2 live cartridges of 12-bore ammunition. Thousands of Nagas from Chandel and Technopal district gathered in a rally to protest against the Indian government's decisions to construct border fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border and the scrapping of the Free Movement Regime FMR. The protests held in Chandel district headquarters, Jakpi Karong and Kapam mark a significant show of unity among the communities. The rally began at the Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School ground, making its way to the DC office complex where a memorandum was submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the Deputy Commissioner of Chandel, L. Nandakumar Singh. In the memorandum, Naga leaders including representatives from the Chandel Naga People's Organization, CNPO and various tribe ho-hos expressed their deep concerns about the border fencing, describing it as a betrayal and a threat to their autonomy, sovereignty and territorial rights. The leaders emphasized that the move jeopardized the Indo-Naga peace negotiations and further exacerbated historical injustices faced by the community. Additionally, the scrapping of the FMR was condemned, with leaders highlighting its detrimental impacts on the Naga people's cultural identity and traditional way of life. The protesters called for immediate intervention from Prime Minister Modi, demanding the suspension of the border fencing construction, the repeal of the FMR decisions, and the acceleration of the peace talks. They also expressed a firm commitment to defending their ancestral land and cultural rights, carrying banners and placards with slogans like "Break the Fence," "Break the Chains," and "Respect our roots, restore our rights." Rallies were held across multiple locations with significant participation from various Naga organizations, including the Naga Students Union Chandel and representatives from Naga Women's Union, the All Naga Students Association, and others. In solidarity with the protests, the region observed a complete shutdown with streets devoid of traffic except for essential services, demonstrating the strength of their collective voice. In a statement made on the 32nd Foundation Day of the All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko, its president Pairojam Nando Luang accused the center of attempting to destabilize Manipur by fostering divisions both within political parties and among various communities in the state. The event held at Amuko's office in Kwakaitel, Akham Lekhai, so Luang emphasized the organization's unwavering commitment to safeguarding the state's unity and integrity. Nando Luang criticized the union government for its actions, claiming that it has consistently undermined the cohesion of Manipur by promoting disunity and distrust among its indigenous communities. He further alleged that the center's deceptive policies were creating rifts not only among different ethnic groups but also within its own political ranks. Addressing the ongoing tensions, the president also issued a stern warning to the government of India, urging them to refrain from taking any actions that might target village volunteers who have stepped forward to protect their communities during this turbulent time. Amuko's stance remained firm in protecting Manipur's integrity from external and internal threats, he added.
Another Sarkar Tiamgera, PR Lakera, any winning but what people winning but Lakshano, Manipur Maduna Ranti, Weber, Sarkar, Kangum, Zatako, how you Manipur Miama, Iripa, Iram Kanjanaba, Ipuru Kanjanaba, Equigi, Sachi Pepe Blori, Equi Matuna, Sopoya, Pedipsi, Miama, Lepteri, Adanasigi, Foundation, they contract to Amoko Foundation, the Amokasom, Manipur Miamna, Iripa, Iram Kanjanaba, Equi Kuna Pasotaba, Equigi, Ima Indonjing, I think Equi Kunaba, Honabada, now with the Wak and Mawanga Leva, I think he Mayama to Holise, Masi Barsakan, Tormani, Maduna Makoi died, the Munipudamni, Aduna Makoina Masaki died, the Letoga, Missam Miamda, a son meta, I never get up to Madi, Yaroi, Madame de Manipur Miamze, Adumba, Madame Zad, Redimi, Laksabiyatani, Sibanaba, Mighty Baydun Amani, Britiska, Land Yaniba Kau for Nabisma Kawigano, it's Sibida, Royal Santo Halim Retraba, Britiska. 1991 के मतलब दा मणिपुरी सिंह लान थेंगी दो माइकी बा माइ बाको दिम फम बय बियादी एकोइ चेलियन तोबो ngami थेंगरी मरमदि एकोइ लानदे हाइबदु उटपनेबा हौजिकसु भारत न फना चावसु लामी की शक्ति एकन फना लेगसु एकोइ लानदबनिना अदुमा भारत सरकार का चेलियन तोबो मतलब दा एकोइ मणिपुरी मियामना अकीबा पाउदे हाइबा वाफम सिमसु थमजरी.
The second Northeast India Film Festival 2025 Manipur was inaugurated today at the City Convention Centre in Imphal. The festival is organized by Thauna Manipur in collaboration with the Film Forum Manipur and the DIPR. It is sponsored by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and the National Film Development Corporation. On the occasion, M. Ashni Kumar Singh, chairman of the Loktak Development Authority, emphasized the significant role of films in reflecting the true image of society. He highlighted the potential of the film industry to create employment opportunities and promote cultural heritage. He further noted that Manipuri cinema, deeply rooted in the region's heritage, not only entertains but also brings attention to societal challenges. It serves as a platform for cultural exchange and has positively impacted youth, helping preserve languages and traditions. He assured of continued support for the Manipuri film industry in the future. Professor N. Lokendro, Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, also addressed the gathering, emphasizing that Manipuri films play a key role in fostering cultural unity and the growth of the film industry in the region. He addressed that the festival would provide an excellent platform for showcasing the artistic and technical achievements of Northeast filmmakers. He also acknowledged the recognition of Northeast filmmakers at international film festivals, particularly for documentaries. The festival, which will run until February 16th, also saw the release of a brochure. Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, Director of DM Community College, DM University Manipur, and other renowned personalities were present at the event. The Corporate Leaders Conclave 4.0 themed Reignite, Reinvent and Rise was held today at Sangai Hall, Imphal Hotel, organized by the Management Department of Manipur Technical University, Imphal. During the event, the chief guest, Dr. Thangjam W. Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of the Babina Group of Companies, addressed the gathering. He remarked that the COVID-19 pandemic had severely impacted both the business and industrial sectors in the state. However, with the pandemic subsiding and support from the then state government, the influx of foreign visitors and tourists had revitalized the growth of industrial and business activities, transforming the state into a popular tourist hub. Dr. W. also pointed out that significant international events such as the Miss Femina Contest, G20 Summit and Durain Cup organized by the state government had attracted foreign firms, investors and entrepreneurs, further boosting the tourism sector and other industries. He acknowledged that despite challenges, the state's progress had come to a standstill, but expressed confidence that the conclave would inspire and attract young, dynamic entrepreneurs from the state. The function also saw the presence of Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of Mother's Care Children Hospital and Research Center and Imphal Heart Institute, who was the guest of honor, and Ramananda Nongmaikapam, Registrar of MTU, who presided over the event. The conclave was attended by officials, students of MTU, entrepreneurs, and other dignitaries. In addition to the speeches, a technical and interactive session was held as part of the conclave, with resource persons sharing insights on various aspects of becoming successful entrepreneurs. District Administration Kakching, in association with the District Social Welfare Office Kakching, organized an awareness program as a part of the District Naksha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan action plan at Kakching Kuno High School and Kakching Kuno Makha High School. Nutan Nongthombam, Asian Youth Leader, Colombo Plant, attended the program as the resource person. Mayanglambam Imocha, Headmaster, Kakching Kuno Makha High School, and Chingakam Landoni Devi, Headmistress, Kakching Kuno High School, led the pledge at their respective school to make Kakching district drug-free. Today's program aimed to educate the students about the ill effects of drug abuse and the importance of living a drug-free life. It may be mentioned that Naksha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 15th August 2020 by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and is being implemented in 372 most vulnerable district based on the findings of the first comprehensive national survey and inputs from the Narcotics Control Bureau. The aim of NMBA is to create awareness about early facts of substance abuse among the youth, women and children, with special focus on higher education institutes, university campuses, schools, and reaching out into the community and garnering community involvement and ownership of the Abhiyan. The Directorate of Education S has announced the examination centers for the upcoming High School Leaving Certificate HSLC examination. According to a notification issued by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM, a total of 155 examination centers have been set up across various districts of the state. The breakdown of the center is as follows: 8 centers in both Senapati and Ukhrul districts, 3 centers each in Kamjong and Tamenlong, 5 centers in Teknopal, and 3 centers each in Chandel and Jiribam. Additionally, 15 centers will be located in Churachampur, 11 in Kangpokpi, 24 in Imphal East, 27 in Imphal West, 15 in Bishnupur, and 17 in Thoubal district. These centers will facilitate the smooth conduct of the HSLC examinations, providing students across the state with accessible locations to take the exams. Before we go, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur's political crisis deepens as BJP Samit Patra meets governor twice in 24 hours amid leadership decision pending with possibility of president's rule. Protests erupt across Kumbi AC opposing CM Birren's resignation amid Manipur crisis. Demonstrators criticize timing. Most wanted militant arrested in Assam for 2021 Manipur Army convoy ambush. NIA to probe further. Manipur security forces conduct major operations, seize drugs, arms and arrest militants linked to trafficking, extortion and militant activities. And Nagas in Chandel and Teknopal rally against border fencing, scraping of FMR, demand immediate intervention for peaceful resolution. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Have a good night.